Hello everyone. This video is about a scalping tool that I have developed, which is named as FASTrade. So actually, the tool was created a few months back, but I have been giving explanatory videos in my YouTube channel, mostly in Hindi, and I was getting requests for giving some explanatory videos in English. So this video will be a quick summary of the application, a brief some brief things. So I will make a series of videos because there are too many points and I cannot make a very long video. So rather I will break it into small pieces. So this video will mostly discuss about introduction to the tool, and then in subsequent videos I will discuss more about the different features. Okay. So first of all, the main question comes is that why do you need this tool for? But before that, if you want to look at the tool, this is something how the tool looks like. Okay, you may find that it has a lot of buttons, a lot of colors, but trust me, when you start using it, you will really find it useful if you are a real scalper. Now, before starting, the information about these tools, updates, and all, where to download, all these things are available at my YouTube channel, Trading with Dr. Manas. You can search it. The link to download this application we will get in the description of this channel. Here you will get the fast trade application. So as I said, everything is available on my channel. So if you want to remain updated with this application, if you want to use it, you can subscribe to my channel and then download the application. So this is the download link. You can click here. So once you click there, you will get a OneDrive folder wherein these files are there. So you download all these files into a folder, like how I have done here, all these files into a folder, wherein this is the exe file, fasttrade.exe, which will you will double click to run the application. When you double click, you will run this application. But before that, these applications need to connect to a broker. Okay. And for that you need to give some details of your broker. So we'll come to that. But before any of this, the main question that comes is that why should you use this application? Okay. So if you know, or if you are a scalper, you know that the main thing for a scalper is quick entry and exit, right? Now, uh, there are many platforms, or let's say almost all brokers have their web terminals, right? But it is not very efficient for quick entry and exit because you have to keep on clicking different things, shift between different windows, and then keep on typing quantity, buy, sell, all these things. So many things you have to keep on doing, SL target and all these things. What if all these things can be, let's say, streamlined so that you focus more on the entry and exit and preset some of the things so that your entry and exit becomes faster? That is what this application tries to. Now, another important thing is that this application can be used also for paper trading. Okay, so again, there are many applications for paper trading like front page, there is Neota and many other applications. But for an application designed for paper trading in the context of scalping, there are none. There are simply no applications where you basically practice scalping, paper trading scalping. Okay, so that's a unique feature of the application. So as I said, the number one reason why you can use this platform is it allows you very quick entry and exit, along with many other important features which, if you are a scalper, you will realize very quickly once you use it. And the second thing is that this part about what I was saying, this part about paper trading. So okay, so this same application you can use for paper trading also, and when you will do paper trading, you will get a real feel, uh, as close as possible to real trading, because it's designed, the interface is designed in such a way, and also you can connect it with a broker for taking real trades. So it's a multi-purpose application. So this was about a little bit of introduction about the application. So as I said, how to get this application: you download the application from this folder, save all these files to a file into a folder, and you need to give the details of your broker account because it needs to fetch data like the price and all this stuff. And if you also want to take real trades, then also you will need to connect with your broker. So as this is a project which is currently under the development. So right now the only broker that it supported is Finvicia. Previously I had also supported FASTrade, but then due to some problems FASTrade has been removed. Now only I support the version for Finvicia. The reason, there are two reasons. One, Finvicia is a free broker, so a free brokerage broker. So for scalping you need to take a lot of trades, so you need to have a broker where the brokerage is zero, and that's why Finvicia. I have plans to develop, or let's say develop the backend for other brokers also, but that will take some time. As I said, this is a free of cost application. I'm not charging anything for it. So you can understand the limitations that come with it, because I'm a single developer and it takes time to integrate different brokers into the same application. So over a period of time, I'll be developing the backend for different brokers also. But right now, this is only available for Finvicia broker. So the primary, let's say, condition that you need a Finvicia broker in order to use this application. Okay. Now, once you have this, you have to fill these details in this file, login details.txt, which is available here. You have to download this file. So I'll just show you what is there inside this file. So inside this file, you have these 4 lines, okay? User ID, password, API key, and TOTP key. All these information are available from your Finvicia accounts. So if you don't know how to get this information, I'll create a separate video where I'll show you how to get this information. There is already a Hindi version for this, but I'll also create an English equivalent for that. So you have to set all those values, the user ID, your corresponding Finvicia user ID and password, and so on. Okay. So once you do it, you do it here. You don't do it here. Okay. You do it here in your local folder. Okay. And save this file and double click. Your application will start. Sometimes it takes a minute or two depending on your computer hardware and let's say the connections with the Finvicia API. So it may take 1.5 minutes sometimes for starting. After that, everything is quick. So okay, so this was about how to get the application. Now let's look at some of the features and why it is such a cool application. Okay. So one thing that I generally like is that I want to keep this application on top of my chart, okay, because that gives me some ease of use. Okay, so what I do is I use an application called Deskpins. It's a free of cost application which you can download for Windows. It allows you, for example, if I right click here and enter pin mode and I click here, so basically this window gets pinned. Okay, so when the window gets pinned, so now you can click on this chart or maybe shift tabs, but this window remains on the top, which is let's say a little bit more comfortable for me. Okay, so enough with this introduction. Now let's look at the application and its features. So today we'll be only showing paper trades. In future versions I'll be looking with real trades also. So let's say I want to trade Bank Nifty. My chart is open for Bank Nifty. So it allows you to check select the expiries for current and the next one. Okay, so 2 expiries is allowed, which is enough for scalpers. Let's say how many lots. These are default quantities. This can be changed during your trade execution. So let's say I'm taking four lots. Okay, and I want to place default SL. Again, these are default quantities. You may or may not set them. So let's say I'm taking setting a stop loss of 10 and a target of 10, or maybe you can also click, you can type here. So let's say I want to set a target of 12. So you type here 12 and click enter. Remember, click enter. So these 2 values are set. Now once you do this, see your spot value is coming here. Okay, now the window is designed in such a way the left portion is about the call and the right portion is about puts. Okay, so the strikes are, you can predetermine it based on the position of the strikes. For example, if you select ATM, automatically the ATM call strike and ATM put strike will be selected. And if you go +1 +2, these are OTM strikes. Okay, and -1 -2 are in the money strikes. Okay, so let's say I'm taking ATM. Okay, so automatically 48,500 call and 48,500 put has been selected with the respective running streaming prices of this one. Okay, this is call, this is put. So as I said, this is a paper trading platform. So why do you do paper trade? To practice scalping. Okay, right? And you know scalping has quick entry and exit, so there is a chance of let's say slippage, which will happen when you take real trades. But when you do paper trades, that effect is not let's say incorporated. So to incorporate that, you can manually put this value of slippage, which is given in percentage. This allows the trades that you take during paper trading to have an even more closer association with reality, because in reality the price that you want to buy or sell will not be the price at which an order will be executed because of slippage. So that can be incorporated in paper trading with this slippage percentage. This value has no meaning in real trades. Okay, so I have said something. Now let's look at the order settings. Okay, so the buy here, these are the buy order settings and these are sell orders. So buy orders can have, for paper trading, two types: market and limit. LTP will not make sense. LTP I will explain when I'll show it real trades. Let's say I prefer first with market orders only. So let's look at market orders first. Sell orders I'll keep it market orders and look at the application first. So right now my running price is this one. This is call price, this is put. Let's take quickly some puts. Okay, 46. So quantity was already decided. Because of 4 I can also change. So see, I have placed 2 times buy orders. So 60 60 120 quantities are currently open. Okay, the prices that they were brought were 45.51. Okay, and my running PNL, okay, running PNL is coming here. I can add more quantities, like let's say I want to change some more quantities. So you can plus and minus use for controlling the quantity. Okay, so you can also maybe type something, like if you want to type 75 and press enter, so you can change the quantity here also. So it's very, very flexible, whatever you want to do. So I have let's selected 105 and then I buy put. Remember, these are all paper trades, I'm not taking real trades. Okay, so this is again is a different price. So I have accumulated now 225 quantities. Okay, so this was about the buy. Now I can sell something. Okay, so maybe I can sell maybe 90 quantities. So I click on sell and 90 quantities got squared off at 41. See, this is the price which is running here. Okay, and this is my running PNL as of now. Okay, these are all paper trades, remember. So how many quantities are open now? 35 quantities. So you can again place a order for 135 and all these positions will get closed. But you have an even cooler feature for that. What you can do, you can simply click on close positions. Once you do that, see, it automatically close all the 135 positions by creating a sell order. So this is very useful when you have, let's say, a lot of positions open, and then you click on close positions and all those buy positions remain gets closed by automatic sell orders. Remember, this is designed from a buyer's perspective, so it will not allow you short selling. That means you cannot have negative positions. Okay, you need to have some buy positions in order to let's say sell it. Okay, that's a restriction, because that has been deliberately put into place to ensure that you don't sell positions, rather you always have open positions that you want to sell or close. Okay, as I said, there are many things in this application. We will go into many other features in later videos. I'm just giving a brief overview. So again, let's take some more trades. Let's say I'm now taking call. Let's say how many quantities? Let's say I'm taking 60 quantities of, or maybe 45 quantities of call. So again, this number changes in multiples of the whatever index is here. For example, let's say now if I want to change and take Nifty, so I can simply click here and change Nifty. So it will take a moment, and then see, automatically, because the ATM is already selected, you don't have to select the strike. Automatically this has been selected to 750, which is the current ATM strike. So this is the beauty that I was saying. It presets many things so that you don't have to do changes. Okay, so again, let's take some Nifty trades. Then let's say I'm taking some buy. Okay, now you see this number will be in terms of four times of Nifty, which is 15 to 4 200. Okay, so if you click here now, the value will change by 50. Okay, so you can see how convenient it is. You can quickly click here and see how fast the quantity is increasing. Okay, these are very, very important, small things, but very important things when you do scalping, and it helps you in your scalping journey. Okay, so let's say I'm taking 450 quantities of Nifty call. Okay, at a price of 11. Okay, now I want to sell it. I am selling maybe 400. See, remember, this is my call open quantities and this is my running PNL. Okay, so I've sold 350 quantities, 100 quantities are remaining. I can again place and see, if I click here sell now with 350, it will give a message, cannot sell more than open positions. So you cannot place a sell order now for 350 quantities. Okay, so what you can do, either you place a sell order for 100, or the easiest way, close positions. This will place the sell order for 100 positions. Okay, remember, these are all being orders placed at market conditions, because our buy and sell are placed at market. Let's quickly now look at a limit orders. Okay, so let's say this is currently running at 12. I want to set a limit order at maybe 9. So I'll click here limit, and I'll click here and type 9 and press enter. When I press enter, remember, whenever you type something, you have to press enter, okay, in order to value to be set. Okay, I've set at 9, and now I place the buy orders. See, now this order is open, this is not executed, and the price is 9. Okay, so once the price will reach 9, it will execute this order. Okay, now here there is a limitation in this application as of now, that once you place this order and if it is remaining open, you cannot let's say cancel this, or sorry, you cannot modify this value. Okay, right, like the way you do in your broker terminal. Okay, you cannot change, cannot modify this 9 to maybe some other value. Okay, I think it is going to be getting hit. Yeah, no, it did not get hit. Anyways, so what you can do is, if your any order is pending, you can simply click on cancel orders and it will get cancelled. So this is the way you have to handle limit orders. Okay, or any pending orders you can cancel by using cancel orders. Okay, I think this point is also clear. Now another thing is, so you want to see what is the day's PNL. Okay, now I forgot to mention a very cool feature, that is, see, this is your order book, right? So all the orders are getting recorded here, but even better, all these orders are also getting recorded into a CSV file. Okay, so all these information, symbol, buy, sell, quantity, price, status, everything, time and everything will be stored in this Excel. This is a CSV file which can be opened in Excel. So post market you can do very good analysis of your trades. Everything is recorded. So as I said, it's fantastic for people who are new to scalping. You will get a close feel of scalping without actually investing money. So you can hone your scalping skills. You can train your psychology using this application and then go for real trades. Okay, and as I said, with these features that are available, your scalping in real scalp will also be very easy and beneficial. Now if I want to say, so these are my PNLs for the trades that I took, but if I want to say the total days PNL, I click on days PNL here, and it will open me this window where it will show you the list of symbols that you have traded. The quantity is 0 because these positions have been squared off, and these are my respective PNLs for these trades, and my total PNL for the day today is this much. Okay, fantastic. All right, so there are some other buttons like update order book. These I will explain when there is a real trading scenario. Okay, that will be in later videos. Now quickly I will go into another cool feature that is available here, is the feature of placing targets and stop loss. Okay, so if you remember, in the beginning we set the default values of stop loss at 10 and target of 12. Okay, so now let's take some orders. Okay, so let's buy some puts. Okay, I am placing some puts. Okay, so I have, wait, sorry, this is a mistake that I did. See, these orders, because I did not change the order setting, these have been placed at limit orders. So okay, so this I have to cancel. I have cancelled these orders and I'll switch back to market. So whenever you change it to limit, remember to put it back into market. All right, so let's buy some puts. Okay, I have 400 quantities open here. Now let's place a stop loss. So the first stop loss, that the kind of stop loss that you can give is a price stop loss. Okay, so when I place a price stop loss, sorry, you cannot place here because your order is open here. See, so you have to click this one. So once you click this, you see your this value quantity, or how many quantities, 400 open, it automatically fills it up. You don't have to fill it. What is the price? 4. How did you get it? Because the entry price was 13, your stop loss was around 10 points. So 10 points below, it plays the stop loss. As I said, you don't have to do anything. Most of the things are taken care of by the this window. So price SL, you click here, it automatically plays the SL at for 400 quantities at this price. And also you can place a target. So for example, if you click target, so 12 points we took. So from 13 around 14, it takes a 12-point difference and it places a target for this 400 quantities. Now the point here is that you can let's say okay, we'll get into those features in later videos because it's already getting big. So you can see, let's say now, so in this way you can place price SLs. Okay, there are other features like trailing SL and all, I will cover in next videos. There's another feature which is what is called as an index SL. Okay, so index SL is basically a stop loss that you determine based on the index. right? That means this bank nifty value, because sometimes what happens, people prefer to give a stop loss based on the candle high or low rather than the price. Okay, so that you can give by clicking here. So this, what it is saying is that if the price moves above 21765, okay, so if it moves above that, then it will place the stop loss. Okay, so again, this is a little bit complex, we'll discuss it in later videos. For the time, let's keep it switched off. Now these values of the limits you can quickly change, like by clicking plus and minus. Okay, so if there is a condition that you are trailing a stop loss, this is very quick because you can quickly change these values and keep on trailing the stop loss. Okay, again, when you use this, you will get to understand how good it is, and I'll create more and more videos to explain this in more detail. For today, let's stop because it's already a big video. Let's close these positions. I have 400 conditions at this PNL. Let's close these positions. All my positions are closed now. This is my day's PNL. It's a negative value, but anyways, it was a demo. So with this, I close this video. We will discuss more about these amazing features in more detail so that you get to understand the full power of this application. Thank you very much.